Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 GoldWing 1800 with ABS brakes. This is the 30th anniversary edition, and it's decked out with a lot of beautiful chrome highlights. Check it out. The mirrors, all the louvers covers. It's got a beautiful Corbin seat with the rider backrest. Only 26,800 miles on this gorgeous metallic blue 30th anniversary GoldWing. She runs beautifully. It's got the reverse gear, 6-cylinder ABS brakes. Come on by, make your GoldWing dreams come true for just $99.99. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. That Corbin seat is very nice. Oh yeah, thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.